Electrician pay in Hungary is worth a closer look. The average electrician income in Hungary is around 17,800 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax takes its share, which leaves an after-tax electrician salary in Hungary of $11,900 annually. If you break that down into take-home pay, you bring home roughly $992 each month. How much does an electrician make in Hungary if they work in the capital? Budapest electrician wages are higher, giving workers $14,000 after tax, but living costs in the big city often swallow that extra cash. Entry-level electrician pay sits well below these numbers, though earnings go up quickly as you gain experience, before hitting a wall without a promotion. A university degree is not required for basic work, but getting higher education helps you move into better positions, like project manager or electrical engineer. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial automation adds up to noticeably more money.